What's the meaning of Colorado Springs? Colorado Springs. Colorado Springs.
Colorado Springs. Colorado Springs. Colorado Springs is a city located in the central part of the U.S. state of Colorado. It sits at an elevation of 6,035 feet, 1,839 meters, above sea level and covers an area of 195.5 square miles, 506.9 square kilometers. The city is surrounded by scenic mountain ranges, including Pikes Peak, and offers a variety of outdoor activities such as hiking and skiing. Colorado Springs is also home to the United States Air Force Academy and several other military installations. The city has a population of around 500,000 people and a diverse economy driven by industries such as healthcare, technology, and tourism.